Run out. I won't move.
Carson, you get hungry?
As soon as I'm done taping this, Carson, we will go.
I don't even know if we got a lunch ticket, but I guess we can find one.
Yeah, I think Tim is over in that corner, and he's got lunch tickets.
She has not wiped out one time.
Carson, I really love the arms up cheer you gave yourself at the end of that hill. What?
So, where have you been, Carson? Yeah, have you been, okay, you get to go on the lift and get instruction, or do they instruct you on that? Okay.
You're not going to do the lift. Oh, you have to have a pass to do the lift, right?
Yeah.
I just assume you're not doing the lift.
I might do that shortest lift right up there, but that's about it.
You can do that with the pass you have?